Learn verb variations and their Igbo meanings. Igbo, English. Number 1 are duo. Duo is our parent verb. Duo means lead. Now we are going to use this parent verb to form other forms of verbs by adding prefix or suffixes to it. Let's start. Number B, idu, to lead. Idu, to lead. You can see here that we add e being our prefix. We add it to duo, it becomes idu. It becomes idu, meaning to lead. Number 3, duru, led. Duru, led. Duru is a past tense of duo. You can see our suffixes here. Ri, u, ru. So we add it to this duo to change it from duo to duru, meaning led. Number D, na edu is leading. Na edu is leading. When you hear na e or na a, it shows a verb in present continuous tense. You can see it in English. You can know them in English by ing at the word, like this one, is leading. So na e is our prefix, so this duo it becomes na edu. Number A, ga edu, we lead. Ga edu, we lead. When you hear ga e or ga a in Igbo language, know that the verb is in future tense. In English, you know them by will. So na edu, we lead. Number 3, ga duo, go lead. Ga duo, go lead. Gi a aga, it is a verb we use to give instructions or command. Number G, edula, don't lead. Edula, don't lead. You can see that here we have a as our prefix. We have li and la as our prefix. So we add them to this duo, it becomes edula, don't lead. Number B, eduhi, did not lead. Eduhi, did not lead. Eduhi, did not lead. You can see our prefix here, a, and our suffixes, he, he. So we add both prefix and suffixes to this duo. It changes to from duo to eduhi, meaning did not lead. Number he, garaduo, went and lead. Garaduo, went and lead. Gara here is our prefix or prefixes. So we add them to this duo. It becomes garaduo, went and lead. Now you have seen how we change this duo, being our parent verb, duo, lead. We change it to number B, idu, to lead. Duru, led. Na edu is leading. Ga edu, we lead. Ga duo, go lead. Edula, don't lead. Eduhi, did not lead. Garaduo, went and lead. So you have seen how it varies through adding prefix and suffix or suffixes. So next time you're going to be using them one after another to make sentences. Share our video, subscribe to our channel. Bye.